Hey, welcome back. Where am I? This is going to be the home of Misty here for a while. Needed a place where we can have all the tools and get some work done, and I've got a spot that I was able to procure. So there's a lot of work to do in here, and it's weird. It was a milking parlor, so the floor's not even. It's going to be a challenge, but the price is right. So let me give you a quick tour. I did some work already, but we've got a lot more to do. But this will make more sense when we start doing videos here. So let me give you a tour. So if you watched the Corvair video, here's the Corvair. That's where it's been parked for 20 years. So the next barn is right here, and it's full of stuff. And there's where the floor is uneven. And so most likely be using this door. So I'm gonna have to build some ramps here, and I'm gonna have to put a gutter here to keep water from running in. And right now I'm in the process of cutting out all these stanchions, and I don't know what these are made out of, but it's one blade per. It's a nightmare. So I've got to get these vacuum pumps from the milking parlor removed, which I'm hoping I can just cut the pipes loose and just drag them right out. I might clear out that alley and take them straight out that way, because I want to put tools and workbench up here. There's no power in here. Right now I'm running off an extension cord, so that might just be the way it is for a while. And as of right now, I'm just focusing on this half. This is gonna have to wait, but I think if I clear this out, it should give me enough workspace, and also will give me an opportunity to put intake over there and some makeshift exhaust over here, and I'll have a place to paint, which is gonna be great. So yeah, this is it. Very exciting. Well, may not look like much, but at least got pressure washed. So much better. Got all those pipes out. Got this cleaned up. Got to fix that leak. But get this painted. Get the rest of this cleaned out. Got these drains working. That's going to be nice having a drain in here. And just wall off my dad's storage section. Still got to get the rest of those pipes out. The rest of that garbage in the corner. But we're getting there. Getting there. So that's the new digs. It's gonna take a lot of work, but it should be worth it. Should be nice. Got to get it cleaned out, and we've got to get it insulated and secured. So that's the goal. I just wanted to say thank you for a great 2024, and look forward to moving forward on some projects. We got the Ford pickup that Alex and I have been working on. We spent a day on that just getting one of the wheels broke loose. So when we get back on that, I'll splice that together. The 56 is coming along, but the next couple months are going to be just getting this space ready, so we can work in here. So that'll take most of the time. So I'll send some updates once in a while. Thanks again for watching. More stuff coming, and we'll see you next time.